Today, I'm going to show you the best penthouse in downtown New York City. I'm Frances Katzen and welcome to Jardin. We are standing in the arrival tunnel, and if you think this is amazing, you haven't seen anything yet. Follow me. And here we are, spanning over 4,500 square feet of an interior, as well as 4,500 square feet of exterior space. The architect, Isai Weinfeld's philosophy was the idea of bringing the outside in and bringing the inside out. And as you can see, that is demonstrated throughout. And you see it the minute you step off the elevator and are greeted by this unbelievable atrium. Floor-to-ceiling glass that basically opens up and provides an extension to the living room. This literally is your own private outdoor room. What you do with it is up to you. And then you arrive in this huge south-facing living room that has unbelievable light and glass walls that open up, providing a one-of-a-kind New York City experience. The indoor-outdoor concept is further extended into the dining area. As you can see, it is sizable with its own private terrace. And with these dramatic 12-foot ceilings, even indoors, you feel like you're outdoors. And just when you think it couldn't get any better, then you arrive into a kitchen that gives you everything. Not only is it beautiful, it's functional. We have Gaggenau appliances, wine refrigeration, pantry storage, great counter space, and your own private terrace. What a perfect place to have your morning coffee. And again, these floor-to-ceiling glass windows allow you to take in this incredible neighborhood. Welcome to the private wing of this loft. 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. Let's go take a look at the primary suite. Follow me. The indoor-outdoor concept extends further into this dramatic and very sexy suite. It's private, it's quiet, and it has a beautiful primary bathroom, outfitted with a wet room that feels like you're outside. This sitting area anchors the great room, providing the signature details that Isai Weinfeld is known for, his famous spiral staircase, which we're about to use now. And finally, here we are on the rooftop garden. With over 4,500 square feet of private outdoor garden, you have enough space for dining, entertaining, and did I mention you have your own private swimming pool? This is a wrap. Thank you so much for joining me on my tour today at Jardin's Penthouse North. It's been a pleasure having you.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?